Good morning, children. Welcome back to live class after Dussehra holidays. Hope you must have enjoyed your holidays. Now it's a time to study, okay? So let's come back to studies. So in the previous class, earlier class, I had explained about Bangladesh and Pakistan, right? So today we are going to study about Sri Lanka and Maldives. Is that clear? Now, Sri Lanka. Are you ready? Okay. Sri Lanka, Democratic Republic of Sri Lanka or Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. Its capital is Colombo and Sri Jayawardene Pura Kotte. Okay. So, its capital is Colombo and Sri Jayawardene Pura Kotte. Its currency is Sri Lankan rupee, okay, and its currency is Sri Lankan rupee. And what are the language spoken by the people of Sri Lanka? It is Sinhala and Tamil are the language spoken by the people of Sri Lanka. Now, I'll just simply draw a map here, an outline map only, okay, just a rough outline map of Sri Lanka just to make you understand, okay. So, it is an island country located in the southeast of India. So, this is India, okay. So, it is an island country just below what? Just below, located in the southeast of India, and here something like that, okay. It's an island. This is called Sri Lanka. This is an island, just a rough diagram I have drawn, okay. It's something like that, roughly I have drawn here. So, it is a what? Sri Lanka. It is an island. It is an island country located in the southeast of India. In the south, north, south, east and west. Okay, this is north, south, east and west, right? So, it is located in the southeast of India. And the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait, it separate India from Sri Lanka. So, where is Gulf of Mannar now? Gulf of Mannar is here. Gulf of Mannar is located in the southwest, okay, in the southwest. And the Park Strait here. Park Strait, these are the two, the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. It divides or it separates India from Sri Lanka. There is a gap out here, understood? So, Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar separate India from Sri Lanka. Now, Colombo is a commercial capital and Sri Jayawardenepura is the legislative capital of Sri Lanka. Okay. So, what are the religion practiced there? Buddhism is the major religion practiced in Sri Lanka. They follow Buddhism. Almost 70% of population, they practiced Buddhism here. So, 70% of population practice Buddhism here. And Tamil and Sinhala are the main language spoken in Sri Lanka. Tamil and Sinhala are the language spoken by the people of Sri Lanka. Now, that's all for Sri Lanka. Okay. So, it divides Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar divides India and separates or divides India and Sri Lanka. Okay. So, this is all about Sri Lanka. Now, we'll move to Maldives. So, its capital is Malé. Maldives capital is Malé and its currency is Maldivian rupiah. its currency. The currency used by the people of Maldives are Maldivian rupiah. And what are the language spoken? The language spoken is Divehi, is the language spoken by the people of Maldives. Okay. Now, Maldives, it is the official, the Republic of Maldives is a small island country in South Asia. So, Maldives is a small island country situated in South Asia, and it is situated in the Arabian Sea of Indian Ocean. Okay. So, Maldives, you can see Maldives out here. This is India. Okay. And here it is Bay of Bengal. Right, and here this side it is Arabian Sea. Okay, and in the bottom part it has Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Is that clear? Now, Maldives, it is the official. It is the Republic of Maldives. It is a small island country in South Asia. This is South Asia, situated in the Arabian Sea of Indian Ocean. Here, Indian Ocean here, and just above here, Maldives is a small. It's something like that. Roughly I am doing, okay, not exactly. I am not showing exact portion, but it is something like that, okay. So, just above Indian Ocean. Here it is Maldives. It is Maldives. It's a dot sort of, small dot. So, small dot, it signifies island. Understood? There are many islands here. And it lies in southwest of Sri Lanka and India. So, this is southwest. It lies in the south and southwest of Sri Lanka and India. Sri Lanka here and India here. Okay. So, what do you mean by an island now? The meaning of island? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. It is called island. So, they are all around. It is surrounded by water. These are the dots. These are dots. Dot signifies land. Okay, that's why it is called island. So, island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. It's called island. So, these dots are island. And Maldives is a chain of 1192 islands. There are small islands, tiny islands all over, okay. So, there are tiny or small islands, and some of the islands are so tiny that many world maps do not show. Understood? In the world map, you will not be able to see that small tiny islands. It is so small, so tiny that it cannot be shown properly. Understood? So, this is all about Maldives. Understood? Now, Maldives has a beautiful beaches which are a major tourist attractions. And Buddhism was the main religion of the people of Maldives until 12th century BC. Understood? So, Buddhism was the main religion of the people of Maldives till 12th century CE. Now, what do you mean by CE? CE is Common Era, which I had explained earlier. Understood? So, CE stands for Common Era. However, Maldives is a Muslim nation now. It's a Muslim country, it's a Muslim nation now. Maldives has a tropical climate which has an average temperature of about 18 degrees Celsius. So, Maldives, it has a tropical climate which has an average temperature of about 18 degrees Celsius. So, that's all for Maldives and Sri Lanka. So today we have learnt about Maldives and Sri Lanka. Now let's recap once. Sri Lanka, its capital is Colombo and Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. Its currency is Sri Lankan rupee and the language spoken by the people of Sri Lanka, it is Sinhala and Tamil. And it is located in the southeast of India and the Gulf of Mannar and the Park Strait, it separates India from Sri Lanka. So this is all about Sri Lanka. Now let's recap about Maldives. Its capital is Male and its currency is Maldivian rupiah and the language spoken by the people of Maldives, it is Divehi, and it lies in the southwest of Sri Lanka and India. Southwest of Sri Lanka and India. And it is it's a beautiful island famous for major tourist attractions. That's all for today. So in the offline class, I'll be posting some images of Sri Lanka and Maldives. That's all.